Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start following crypto market trends with CoinMarketCap. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the CoinMarketCap website. Once the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Look for the cryptocurrencies section at the top of the home page. Click on cryptocurrencies to access a drop-down menu. Select all cryptocurrencies from the menu. Here, you will see a list of all the cryptocurrencies currently tracked by CoinMarketCap. Observe the columns displaying different data points like price, market cap, and volume. To understand current market trends, focus on the percentage change over the last 24 hours. You can sort the cryptocurrencies by various factors by clicking on the column headers. For example, click on market cap to see which cryptocurrencies have the largest market capitalization. Next, click on the Charts tab to view visual representations of price movements. Adjust the time frame for the chart to see trends over different periods, such as 1 day, 1 week, or 1 year. Explore the trending section to identify which cryptocurrencies are gaining popularity. Take note of any major price movements and news that may be impacting these trends. Utilize the search bar at the top to look for specific cryptocurrencies. Click on a cryptocurrency name to access its detailed page. Here, you will find historical data, market performance, and related news articles. Make use of the community feature to see social sentiment around specific cryptocurrencies. Follow updates and news through the News tab for insights into market influences. Use CoinMarketCap's portfolio tool to track your own cryptocurrency investments. Create an account to save your portfolio and receive personalized updates. Review different analytical tools provided by CoinMarketCap for deeper market insights. Consider subscribing to their newsletter for market analyses and trends. Regularly revisit CoinMarketCap to stay updated on fluctuations and emerging trends. Utilize this information to make informed decisions on your cryptocurrency investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.